Hey everyone, welcome to the garden. Today I'm going to show you how to transplant tomato seedlings from their cozy little pots out into the garden. Now, most seedlings like to be transplanted so that the soil meets the soil in their pot. So they don't like to be buried with the soil up to their eyeballs. They like to be buried with the soil the way it is in their pot. So that would mean placing it in a hole about that deep, like that. But tomatoes are quite special and quite unique because of their very, very hairy stem. You'll see they have lots of hairs on their stem. And these hairs, when they make contact with the soil, the hairs turn into roots, fabulous roots that will give the plant a lot more stability so that when the wind comes, it's not waving around, but it's stable. So we want to plant our tomato seedlings deeper, almost like we're burying them, but of course keeping some leaves out of the soil. So the stem can get covered in soil, and that's actually going to be healthy for the plant. So to get the plant out of the pot, you're going to place 2 fingers gently around the stalk, the base of the stalk, and you're going to just gently turn it upside down, and it should fall right out. And now you can flip it gently back around and place it in the hole. And this one's a little bit too deep. So sort of like that. And now you can fill in your hole. So take some clumps of soil, break it up as you're putting it in, and you can kind of tamp it down around as you're going. Just like that. Now, this is looking pretty good. We're almost done. As great as it is for the stem to touch the soil, it's not so great for the leaves to touch the soil. So we're going to be pruning off the leaves that are in contact with the soil. So just the lower leaves. If it's drooping over and more leaves are touching, that's okay. We're not going to touch those, but just the lower leaves. So you're going to come along and take your sharp thumbnail and prune the leaf as close to the stalk as you can. So it's just taking like a pinch and pinching the leaf off the bottom of the stem. And you can also use a little garden knife for this if you don't have a sharp thumbnail. And so there you have it. This little guy is going to be really happy here. All of that nice stem hair is going to turn into roots underneath the soil, and it's going to make a nice, strong, tall tomato plant with lots of juicy tomatoes for us to eat in the summertime. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the garden.